Hi everybody. So I did the paint mixing video using the 4 ounces of Arteza paint. Today I'm going to use my regular Duraclean Dutch Boy. There it is. And I have already poured 12 ounces of paint. So I'm going to add the Floetrol and water and we will see what percentage I use for this. And I also, Arteza just sent me all of their 36 count metallic pack. Look at that. They're so cool. I can't wait to start mixing those. So let me get you on in here. All right. So, let's see. Okay. So I'm just going, figure I'll be able, well, it's like 12 ounces. So I'm going to pour the amount of Floetrol that I would usually pour. And then I will see what level that is. So for this amount, I would probably, so I got 20. So let me write this down again. So I had 12 ounces paint. And yeah, about then 8 ounces Floetrol. Stir this. That's probably a little bit more Floetrol than I usually would use. It appears to be. Let's see. This will not, I suppose, be exact. This is 3 ounce cup. And I will pour it approximately, well, I'll fill it up. Let's do it this way. And then I'll see how much I use. This will have less water in it because I used more Floetrol by accident. Okay, still too thick. So I filled that back up to 3. See, I like it on the thinner side. My paint has never cracked, so it must be on something. So that looks about right, and I used about half of that, so I would say 4.5 ounces water. So this one appears to be 12-ounce paint, 8-ounce Floetrol, 4.5. So I suppose that is half paint, half mix. So take all that with a grain of salt. I do, because I don't usually measure. But I do want to show you the difference in finish between the Dutch Boy white paint and the Arteza. So this one has all Arteza paints, and you can see it is really shiny. You obviously can't feel it through the camera, but maybe you can tell how shiny it is. This is the Dutch Boy, which is a satin finish, and you can see there's a huge difference. There, you can tell. One is shiny, one is not. I personally like the finish of this better. But once I varnish them, it's not really going to be a whole heck of a lot of difference. So there you have it, another paint mixing video. Maybe it'll help, maybe it won't, but there you got it. Bye.